everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. मैं हूँ अंकिता and today's video is about a product review. Now I have come up with the Wow Vitamin C range. Now I have been using this product for quite a long time and now I think it's high time to share the reviews with you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video and I'm just sitting with my soft toy. So yeah, you can see this. So yeah, let's quickly hop in. So I have got some vitamin C range, like I have got the full vitamin C range except the face wash because at that time I was using this Wow apple cider vinegar face wash. So I didn't thought of in need of any other face wash because face washes is just like it just cleans your skin, so I don't think that it does any extra power or any extra benefit to your skin rather than the serum, the toner and the moisturizer. So face wash are just for clearing, for just removing your makeup and clearing your skin dirt and chunks. So I was using this, it was like okay with me, I was not having any problem, and I have finished with this product. And I have got some new product also. Yesterday only the parcel received from Purple, so today I'll be unboxing with you. So this is the parcel, so I'll be unboxing with you. So with this vitamin C review, I'll be unboxing my Purple haul also. It's a small haul, but I got some product to test whether it's working for me or not. So yeah, I'll be coming to that portion after some time. So firstly, apple cider vinegar face wash has worked great for me. It didn't create any problem to my skin. It's just worked great for me. So yeah, this is okay. Now coming to the vitamin C range, just wait. So first I had this vitamin C skin mist toner. This is the thing. It's very easy to use, like it has a pump kind of applicator, and as you can see I have used quite an amount, and yeah, it's okay. But I use it as a makeup fixer. Like after my makeup I just spray all over my face to get the glowing natural effect. So yeah, it's okay. It didn't gave me that glow boost or something, but yeah, it's okay. Now coming down to the serum, this is a vitamin C face serum, 20% vitamin C with hazel hyaluronic acid. It claims to help hydrate skin and brighten complexion, but after using this product, whenever at night I don't use vitamin C in the morning because I have to go out for workings or anything. So I don't apply vitamin C in the morning, so I use it at night. But the night when I use this vitamin C serum, the next day I just wake up with breakouts. So this didn't work for me. I don't know why. I have super sensitive skin, but this didn't work for me. So that doesn't mean if this didn't work for me, it will not work for you. It can work, it may work for you. So yes, you can give it a try, but it didn't work for me. So yeah, so this is अभी भी like बहुत सारा quantity बचा है, so I don't know how to use this. So yeah, okay, next comes the vitamin C face cream. Now this is also a very so-so product. I didn't get any huge difference for my skin, like brightening complexion or giving me that glow type of a thing. So yeah, it's okay. The best part is it has this pump kind of applicator, which is very hygienic. So yeah, it's okay product for me. So these three products really did not work for me. Yeah, but the vitamin C apple cider foaming face wash, it worked for me, and I don't have any grudge against this product. But these three products didn't work for me. So yeah, that was this part. So yeah, now just quickly hop into the next part, which is the unboxing of my Purple haul. Okay, so yesterday I received this parcel from Purple. So yeah, I have got some essential stuffs like for substitute of these products because I can't use these products anymore because it's really breaking out my skin. So I need to get some product which suits my skin. my skin type and my skin tone. So I have got these now. I haven't opened. I just opened that cardboard packaging just for hygiene purpose, but the bubble wrap I kept it only for you guys so that I can unbox in front of you, and it's totally sanitized, so nothing to worry. And the cardboard packaging I just opened and thrown away because of the hygiene purpose. So yeah, so I'll be unboxing now. Okay, so I have opened all the product. Now tell me, how many of you like to play with this bubble wrap when you were small? I just still now I love to play. It's just so funny. So yeah, just keep it aside. Okay, so the first product I bought for myself is a papaya brightening face wash. Now you can see it's totally sealed back. I didn't use it. So I have got this for 195, and it's a 120 ml bottle. Now I have got this small pump because I really wanted to test this product because I haven't used it before, and buying a bigger bottle, if it doesn't work, then it's waste of product. So I've got this small bottle, so I'll be testing this product. Then if it works for me, it suits my skin, then I'll get the other one, the bigger bottle. So yeah, this is the first product. Second product is the Good Vibes Tea Tree and Papaya Oil Control Serum. Now tea tree serum works for me, but previous time, like the other the tea tree serum which I was using back to days, that was from the brand Purple, and it was quite good. But Good Vibes Tea Tree Papaya Serum I'm using for the first time. So this is also, I got it for 10 ml of product, so I'll be using this one, and if it works then I'll go for the bigger one. Okay, next I have got this papaya gel. Now I have heard much about this product, so I thought let's try this. This is also, I got the smaller version, so if it works for me, I'll go for the bigger version. And last, I got this NY Bae, the big apple of my eye, Kohl Kajal. This is an Kajal, I think. Yeah, it's Kajal. So this is also my first buy. So let's see how it works. So today I'll not be reviewing any of this product because I'll be using, and then I'll come up with these products with you guys and sharing my reviews with this. So stay tuned for that video. So yeah, this was it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you like it, then please share and subscribe to my channel and press the chotu sa bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you will get notifications. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye and stay blessed, stay happy.